You've decided to jump in the spiritual business and you've got your basics down pat, and now you need to figure out how online marketing helps your energy healing business grow. In this video, we're taking a look at how online marketing can help your energy healing business when you apply these 4 stages to your online marketing plans. Welcome to Aware Multimedia, where we create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, keep on watching. What is spiritual marketing? Spiritual marketing is a form of marketing that transcends the traditional boundaries of advertising. It's an opportunity to create a more meaningful connection between you and your customers. It allows your customers to know your brand voice and tone. It also offers a way for your brand to stand out from the crowd and differentiate you from other businesses in the industry. That means having a plan, a site map that you create that gives your customers an experience that helps them connect better with your brand. Things such as colors, fonts, logo, and slogans. Something that each time your customers come across it, they know it's you. How to reach more people. Social media is a great way to promote a business or product. You can't just post whatever you want and expect to get the results you want. Gone are the days of beautiful photos and instant followers. Now it's important to engage with your audience and potential customers. Let them feel your energy. Of course, to do all this, you always start with a plan of how you're going to reach more people through your social media promotions. In what stage of your relationship are you with your audience? Stage 1 is awareness of your business. It's the first phase of the customer's journey, and it's the process of making potential customers aware of your business, its brand, and products or services. It's meant to inform, help answer questions, and solve problems. It does not include overly salesy language or unnecessary branding. It's easy to understand and gives enough information to resolve their initial concerns. It also shows the value and benefits of doing business with you. Stage 2 is the consideration phase. It's an important part of the customer journey because it's during this phase that you're most likely to enjoy your customers' focused attention. The potential customer is a little familiar with your product or service and is evaluating their problems, its urgency, how can it be solved, and whether it really needs to be solved here and now. Stage 3 is the action or conversion phase. Here, potential customers are interested in your product or service and are considering making a purchase. They might add your product to their cart or request more information in the form of a demo. You need to convince prospective buyers to take action and make a purchase. Stage 4 is the engagement phase or advocacy stage. Engagement marketing can help you build a stronger relationship with your customers, boost your sales, reputation, and referrals. To increase engagement, prioritize a culture that supports your customers, that help your customers become their best selves, that connect customer goals to the company's mission, and that also recognizes and acknowledges your customers. Knowing them allows you to create specific goals in mind that will help you know what you want to achieve with your posts. Secondly, you need to be consistent with your post. Posting every now and then will not help grow your audience as much as posting daily will. Yes, it's a lot for one person to do, and that's why I'm here to help you do what you need to do without too much struggle. Download the Reiki Demo Kit and use it to help you get started with staying consistent on social media. I hope this helps you get started on your way, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.